Welcome to a 15-minute Ever-Active Kids Burst. My name is Chelsea and this is Channing, and we're going to take you through a fun workout today. The only thing you need for this workout is a ball each, or maybe it's a small stuffy or just something easy to hold on to, and a couple of skipping ropes or something you can divide your room up in a smaller space. All right, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, our warm-up is called this or that, and we do not need any equipment for the warm-up. So, the first thing I say, if you prefer the first thing I say, Channing, you're going to do 5 jumping jacks. All right, so nice big arms, big feet, big jumping jacks. Great job. If you prefer the second thing I say, we're going to do cross-country skiers. So taking a nice lunge forward and reaching those arms nice and big. Are we ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you prefer dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Jacks. 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay. Do you prefer fruits or vegetables?
Fruits.
Jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Do you prefer winter or summer?
Summer. Okay.
Skiers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, very nice. Okay. Do you prefer to bike or scooter?
Scooter.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you prefer to build a snowman or make a snow angel?
Build a snowman.
Jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Last one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
The beach.
Jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. Air high five. Good job. Okay. So the next one, you need your ball or your little toy or stuffy, something easy to hold on to. And Channing's going to play this game with us, and it's called Animal Walk. So you have to find a way to do this animal for 20 seconds with the ball. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, are we ready for the first one?
Yes.
Let's see your crab walk. How are you going to hold on to that ball while you crab walk around the room for 20 seconds? Let's go. Can you lift your hips up a little higher? And if you drop the ball, that's okay. Just pick it up, keep going. Maybe you find a new spot. That's better. Oh, under the chin, very creative. And rest, very nice. Okay, your next animal is bear. So let's see your bear crawl. How are you gonna hold on to that ball? Let's go for 20 seconds. Lifting those hips way up high. Using your whole room, make lots of space here. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. And rest. Okay, your next animal is a frog. Are you ready for some frog jumps?
Yeah.
Hold on tight to that ball. Let's go. 20 seconds.
Oh.
And if you drop the ball, that's okay. And rest. Good job, bud. Okay, next animal is bunny. Are you ready for some bunny hops?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's go. 20 seconds. Bunny hops. Don't drop the ball. You got it?
Yeah.
Good job, good job. We got it. 10 more seconds. We're almost there. 3, 2, rest. Okay, now let's give everyone at home a chance to make up their own animal. I'm going to put you on the spot. You have to think of an animal that you can hold the ball with for 20 seconds. Do you have one?
Yeah.
What's the animal?
A penguin.
Ooh, a penguin. Okay, so you guys pick one at home that you want to do, and we're going to start the timer. Ready? Go. Penguin. Penguin. Hold the ball. Move around the room. Don't forget to smile. You might have lots of different animals in your room. Good go. We have 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good job. Awesome animal walking. Okay, for our next game, we're going to divide our room or our space into 3 different areas. And so I'm just going to use a skipping rope to do that, all right? So you can put the balls down, and we're going to make this area in a group of 3. And we're going to play all hands on deck. Are we ready, Channing?
Yes.
Okay, so this side of the room is going to be the ship, okay?
Yeah.
The middle is the deck, and the other side is the shore, okay? Now, if I call ship, I want to see your boat pose. So can you show me boat pose in the ship? Very nice. Awesome job. Okay, how about on the deck? In the middle, we're going to do 6 mountain climbers or plank, okay? So depending on the age of the kids participating, they might be able to hold a plank, they might be able to do mountain climbers. Pick something that works for you. Great, and if I say shore, on the other side, I want to see your beautiful tree pose. Very nice, good balance. Maybe find a spot on the floor you can focus on to stay nice and balanced. Good job. Okay, are we ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to get out of the way, and I'm going to call ship, deck, shore. Ship is boat pose, deck is mountain climbers, and shore is tree pose. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. All right, to start, let's do deck. Good job. Okay, shore. Be fast. Good job. Okay, ship. Shore. Ship. Deck. Ship. Shore. Deck. Shore. Oh, you're good, you're good. And rest. Awesome job, Channing. Okay, next one. I'm just going to move these skipping ropes out of the way so you have space because we're going to play jump to drop. So jump to drop, all you need is a little bit of space. All right, if I say jump, can you show me your 2-footed jumps? Oh, very good, very good. Okay, perfect. And if I say drop, can you show me your plank? Good, that's a nice looking plank. So let's keep our backs nice and flat. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we got that?
Yeah.
The middle parts are a surprise, okay? So let's start with high knees. Can we lift those knees up nice and high? Jump. You can jump any way you want here. These 2-footed jumps are fun. Have some fun with it. Good. Okay, back to your high knees. Drop. Whoa, hold that plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, next exercise is going to be punches. So can we get a nice wide stance, squat it down, so think sit down, and we're gonna punch right in front of us. Air punches. Nice and strong. Maybe you're a superhero. You're saving the world. Good, good, good. Ready? Jump. Drop. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay, the next exercise is skipping. So can you pretend to skip rope? Awesome. Good, good, good. Okay, drop. And skip rope. And jump. And rest. Okay, the next one is going to be squats, okay? So as many as you can do in a row. You don't have to go too low. All right, so squat it out. Keep going, squat it out. Good job. Jump. drop. Can you drop your bottom down just a little? Good job. Okay, and rest. Awesome job. Okay, our next game is rock, paper, scissors, which I know a lot of you at home know that, but this time we're going to do the human version, okay?
Yeah.
So let's show everyone what the three are. All right, and then we'll play a game. Best of 5?
Yeah.
I'm going to beat you.
No.
Okay, are you ready? So, rock, paper, scissors. Oh, see how our scissors are crossed feet and crossed hands, crossed arms, okay? So, rock we get really low, crunch down. Paper we get really wide, take up as much room as you can. And scissors we're gonna cross and cross, all right? Got it?
Yeah.
Best of 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so we say rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And then you get into your, whichever one you want to pick. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Oh, so rock smashes scissors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, scissors cuts paper,
Yeah.
and paper covers rock.
Rock.
So 1 point for me. You guys keep score in your house if you want, or it's just for fun. We're gonna do 5 rounds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, tie! We're both paper. Ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Scissors cuts paper. You guys decide who's winning in your house. Great job. Okay, 2 points for me. 1 tie. We gotta keep going to 5.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Another tie. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay.
Oh! I think I won, right?
Yeah, you got
2 to 1?
No, you got
3
3
1? Okay, air high 5. Good game. Awesome job. Okay, so we're gonna cool down a little. All right, let's get back into our boats. Remember those boats we did? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna turn to the side for a second. All right, do you wanna just scoot up a bit?
Yeah.
Okay, so boat pose. We're gonna get on our sit bones. All right, and then you might keep your heels on the floor. You might lean back. You might lift them. All right, everyone's different. Depends what you wanna do today. Now, can we draw those shoulders back? Get that chest nice and open and hold that. Okay, now here, we're gonna go to a V-sit. So feel free to keep your ankles on the floor, leaning back so we feel those abdominals working. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, should we row our boat? Let's row. Row the boat. So, as we're leaning back, ooh, our arms are working, our abs are working. We got this. Okay, perfect. Now, we are going to, I'm gonna jump out of the way here. You're gonna change your boat this way, okay? Keep rowing your boat. We're gonna go for 5 more rows. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling into your downward facing dog. You're gonna roll out of the boat. Lift those hips up really nice and high. Hands are spread out big. Good. All right, now, can you go forward into a plank? High plank. Can you back up just a bit, Channing? Thank you. Good job. Okay, can we lift those hips up? Keep your back flat. Okay, all right. Oh, now your friends can get off their boats. Walk off the plank. Good. Okay, now lowering down to your tummy. We're gonna swim to shore. So reaching those hands out forward. Can you back up a bit, Channing? Yeah. Good job. Okay, point those toes, nice straight legs. Let's flutter, kick those feet and arms. Oh, reaching, reaching. We're gonna do this for 10 more seconds. This is hard work for that core. Swim, swim, swim. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, now rolling onto your back. Let's try that on the back. All right, scoot down towards me. Okay, hands overhead, nice and tall. Feet are pointed. You can bend your knees for this one too. And we're gonna swim, swim, swim. Point those toes. Lifting those hands and arms. Yes. Good. If you want to straighten your legs, you can. If you'd rather bend your knees, that's great too. We don't want to feel this in our backs. All right, we want this to be hard for our core. 3, 2, 1. Now bring those knees to your chest. Give them a hug. Maybe you take your peace fingers and grab onto your big toes, or maybe you just grab onto your feet, taking those knees wide, finding a little bit of a happy baby. You might want to roll side to side on your spine. Give it a little massage. And when you're ready, let's flip over onto our tummies one last time. Bring your knees wide. Your big toes can touch. Reaching forward with those hands, let's find child's pose. We start to slow our breath here. Take some deep inhales and exhales for all the good work you did. I hope you had a lot of fun and learned some new fitness games. Good. Now very slowly you're going to come up to a seated or standing position. And I want to thank you for joining us. Thank you to my ever-active kid.
You're welcome.
Thank you to you guys for participating and being so awesome. Should we end with an air 5?
Yeah.
All right.